Android 17 launched in mid-2026, first on Pixel devices, then other brands. It adds new features but may still have early bugs. In this video, we'll cover key features, things to consider before updating, and how to upgrade or stay on Android 16 for stability. Part 1. Tips before performing Android 17 update. Tip 1. Backup data. Backup your files with Google Drive or a PC before updating. Tip 2. Charge device. Keep battery above 70% and plug in. Tip 3. Free up space. Delete apps, clear cache, or move files to free storage. Tip 4. Network. Use stable Wi-Fi near the router. Tip 5. Compatibility. Starts on Pixel 6 Plus first, then other brands in 2026. Tip 6. Features. App bubbles, screen reactions, foldable gaming mode, stronger privacy, anti-theft, better performance, AI tools, quick share, and improved camera support. Part 2. Are there any Android 17 developer previews? Part 3. What we'd like to see in Android 17. Anti-theft. Biometric lock and harder reset protect stolen phones. App bubbles. Floating apps for multitasking, especially on foldables. Screen reactions. Record screen and face cam together. Memory limiter. Limits memory used to reduce lag and improve speed. Part 4. How to update to Android 17 manually. Backup data. Use Google Drive or Mobikin Assistant. Developer options. Turn on USB debugging plus OEM unlock. Platform tools. Install ADB Fastboot. System image. Download Android 17 image. Flash. Use Fastboot or Flash tool.